Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Okay, this is our sketch that we are drawn in our Solidwork. We take a two circle, one radius, one die is 34, 36, another die is 18. Okay, now mirror this one. We choose the center line. Now both circle are mirror. We connected both of them through a single line. Main is we join the bottom single line to the both circle because top one profile is little bit different. Okay, we are taking a line. It is now take another line. First, we give a distance of both circle around 60 mm. The both circle distance is 60 mm. Both circle are symmetric. Okay. Now we take a line. That line is put here, then put this one, then this one. Okay, do a symmetric of both the lines, and the distance is 48. No, 60. Sorry for wrong reply, wrong explaining. Okay guys, now we saw there is a when we saw from the front view and when we saw from the side view, there are profiles that are attached to it. We take a line, take a distance, and this distance is 12, cap is 25, bottom is again 12, and this distance is 12, and this distance is 25. Now we are extruding now we are extruding extruding distance is 36, changing to 36. Now extruding we select all of them distance we are extruding is 12 mm. First we remove both of them because both of them, wait a minute, it is 12 mm is okay. Now We select this face. After selecting this face, we are using the rib command. I think rib command did not work. Maybe distance distance is 12 mm. Oh, it is a error. So in our 3D model, it is not completed. And we extrude this one. This is sketch. Now we give the dimension of elongated. uh, it is shown in 25 mm from the bottom of the line, and its distance is 9 mm, and radius of actually I give the dimension 22, and radius already I give, that is 8. Now we are using the cut command to remove the unessential part of the 3D model. Now I give a um, I am using the fillet command. Okay, I understood, and this is how much distance that is come out from the um, 34. Okay.